Hey there, everyone! Today, I've got something fun to share with you, a hilarious scene from Hickory Dickory Dock featuring a little bird and a penguin. But that's not all. I've added some amazing video effects to make it even more entertaining. So, without keeping you waiting, let's dive right into it. Welcome to Goat Edits 1989. Funny little bird penguin scene, normal clip. Funny little bird in penguin scene, G major effect. Funny little bird in penguin scene, speed. Funny little bird in penguin scene, flames and fire. Funny little bird in penguin scene, in the clouds. Funny little bird in penguin scene, rainy season. Funny little bird in penguin scene, wave reflection. Funny little bird in penguin scene, screen pulse. Funny little bird in penguin scene, wide distortion. Funny little bird in penguin scene, distorted. Funny little bird in penguin scene, droplet diffuse. Funny little bird in penguin scene, water riffle. Funny little bird in penguin scene, flame frame 2. Funny little bird in penguin scene, dark glitch. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the hilarious Hickory Dickory Dock scene with the little bird and penguin, especially with those fun video effects. If you had a good laugh, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Goat Edits 1989 for more creative and entertaining content. See you in the next video, stay awesome.